has a special snow report, Blizzard Hurricane Nemo, or whatever it's called. And we're actually going to go to guest reporter Marlo for this whole full story. Marlo, are you ready to do some reporting? So when you're getting ready to go play in the snow, make sure you're well hydrated. What do you think about that, Marlo? Being hydrated very important? That licking noise means yes. Also, when you go outside, make sure you wear boots. Reporter Marlo is wearing his beautiful, large-size black boots. Let's see how that one goes on. Kids out there, this is how you behave. You just let your mommy or daddy put your boot on. No complaint. Okay, Reporter Marlo, where are we going? Riverside Park. We'll go see what we discovered.
Nothing.
So one of the best things about the snow is us humans can actually see what the dogs are smelling, which is other dogs' pee. They love it. For everyone that lives in the suburbs and has plenty of space in a backyard, New York City dogs have to actually come play in a dog park. Let's go to the dog park. Alright, golden retriever wearing purple shoes. Very stylish. Ah, you are so cute. Got a little friend who likes purple shoes also. I like them too.
Hey. Come over here. Where you going?
I like your red shoes. Here we're at the fashion runway in Fashion Week in New York, and all the dogs are wearing shoes. Let's see what we got. Got some nice purple shoes. Got some really fancy red and black ones. Boots. Ah, purple ones. Those are beautiful. Where'd the ball go? Marlo's got it? All right, we'll go get it. Teddy! I know his name. Oh. So that one dog was pooping while the other one was smelling its dog, and its owner was very upset. Now the little dog, Teddy, feels guilty. Okay, Marlo, are you going to report on a ball? What does one do when there are two balls? You take the yellow one? Ah, you take the orange one. That's a good one. Nope, yellow. Orange. Yellow. Yellow one. Orange one. Stand on one. Hi. 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 This reporter found a new friend. Aw, yeah, that's a good one. Thank you. What do you think about the snow? Is it easier because you could actually see the pee? Yeah, it's so much easier. It's a trash can! It is truly dog paradise.